Greetings from JNTH College of Engineering, Sultanpur, Telangana State, India. My dear teaching fraternity, welcome to a one-week national level online faculty development program on Scilab, an open source substitute for MATLAB in association with Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay. I am Dr. B. Balu Nayak, Professor of Mechanical Engineering and Principal JNTH College of Engineering, Sultanpur, Telangana State, and Chairman of Online FDP. I trust that you are taking care of yourself and helping your family well in the pandemic situation of COVID-19. Teaching learning is being changed itself with the new tools and methods. In the new educational scenario, information communications technology tools open up wide opportunities to improve the teaching learning process, focusing on a higher order thinking and autonomy of the learners. This FDP is focused on using open source software for scientific and mathematical calculations. The program will help the faculty to explore the adoption of ICT tools in teaching engineering courses, thereby enhancing learning capability of the students. Scilab is free and open source software for numerical calculation, providing a powerful computing environment for engineering and scientific applications. Hence, almost anyone who can to carry out any calculation will find this program extremely useful. Additionally, there are no restrictions on the use of Scilab, and hence scientists from research laboratories will find the program especially attractive. It is a programming language associated with a rich collection of numerical algorithms covering many aspects of scientific computing programs. Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay is an initiative of the National Mission of Education through ICT of MHRD Government of India to promote IT literacy through open source software. A spoken tutorial method offers hands-on practice with 100% active learning. Those who undergo this training will be able to start using Scilab immediately after the FDP. They will also be able to conduct Scilab workshops for their students using spoken tutorials on their own without requiring any help from anyone else. The objective of this FDP is to facilitate interaction with the best of the Scilab community with a special emphasis on interaction between young and more. It provides an open ground to learn, understand, participate and contribute to the Scilab community. Participants will be able to gain further knowledge of the toolboxes available in Scilab. One of the goals of the FDP is to combine education, engineering and science with computing through the medium of Scilab. A good knowledge of Scilab will help improve the employment potential of your students. More than 3,000 faculty has already enrolled for the FDP. I am extremely happy that participants from other countries also registered. That shows the keen interest to learn. The JNTH College of Engineering, Sultanpur, Telangana State is optimistic about more learners registering faculty to take advantage of the opportunity to explore their interests and acquire new skills through this novel program. Most unfortunately that we are unable to see you in our campus and unable to organize in our natural greenfield campus because of pandemic situation of COVID-19, but we hope that we'll see you in our conference, seminars, workshops and FDPs in the future. I thank all the faculty of this program for showing their interest to participate in this FDP. I express my thanks to Honorable In-Charge Registrar JNTH Dr. A. Govardhan and all the JNTH officials for help in raising the college where it stands today. I express my sincere gratitude to FDP convener Dr. B. Venkateshwar Reddy, Professor of Civil Engineering and Vice Principal of the college, a team of Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay and coordinator Dr. M. Sailaja, Professor of Mechanical Engineering and others. making it a memorable day in the history of JNTU College of Engineering, Sultanpur, Telangana State. Details of the FDP will be announced later. We invite everyone to take part in this FDP. Thank you and Jai Hind.